Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize abandoned cart recovery emails. If you have an online store, you probably know that some people add products to their cart but leave without buying. This happens all the time. Maybe they got distracted, maybe they wanted to think about it, or maybe they just forgot. That is why abandoned cart emails are helpful. They remind the customer about the items they left behind and give them a simple reason to come back and finish the order. Step 1. Open your email settings. First, go to the place where you manage your store emails. Look for the section that talks about cart recovery, abandoned cart, or reminder emails. This is where you can create the message that will be sent to people who leave items in their cart. Once you find it, open the email setup page. This is where you can choose what the email says, when it sends, and how it looks. Step 2. Turn on abandoned cart emails. Next, make sure the abandoned cart email is turned on. If it is turned off, customers will not get any reminder after leaving their cart. So before changing anything else, check that the email is active. This step is important because even if your email looks great, it will not help if it is not actually sending. Step 3. Choose when the email should send. Now, choose when the email should be sent after someone leaves their cart. A good time is usually a few hours after they leave. This gives the customer enough time, but it is still soon enough that they remember what they wanted to buy. You don't want to send it too late because they may already forget about the product. You also don't want to send it too fast because they may still be looking around. Pick a time that feels natural and not annoying. Step 4. Edit the subject line. Now you can change the subject line. The subject line is the first thing the customer sees, so keep it clear and simple. You can write something like, "You left something in your cart," or "Your cart is waiting for you." Don't make it too long. The goal is just to remind the customer in a friendly way. Next, send a test email to yourself if you have that option. This lets you see the email the same way a customer will see it. Open it and check if everything looks good. Make sure the images show properly, the text is clear, and the button works. If something looks wrong, go back and fix it before turning it on for your customers. Once everything looks good, save your changes. After that, your abandoned cart recovery email is ready. Now, when someone leaves items in their cart, they can get a reminder that brings them back to your store. This can help recover sales that may have been lost. And that is how you create and customize abandoned cart recovery emails. The main thing is to keep the email simple, friendly, and easy to follow. Remind the customer what they left behind, give them a clear way to return, and make the email look clean. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.